Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Singleton. A question I get a lot is, will this last? If I come in to see you for spinal decompression, do I have to keep coming and see you forever? Well, I can tell you this. In the last 20 years, I've had hundreds, thousands of patients who have come in for treatment for their neck and back pain. And I can tell you this, 98% of the patients, when they're done with me, they're done. They don't need any more of this treatment because they've been educated on the right foods, the diet, the nutrition, and the exercising. All these factors come in, and it's going to last. You won't need to come in and see me. I'd like to see you, but you don't need to keep coming in to see me. Once we're done with this, you're done. So if you want more information on this, go to my website at painforutah.com, or you can call me at 801-265-3400 to schedule an appointment to come in to see Dr. Singleton, and we'll sit down and we'll explain to you how this procedure, how this process is going to work. Or if you'd like more information, click on the link below.